Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's so good to see y'all again. I hope you had a good week. I'm really looking forward to this video for the main reason that we're on vacation and and I thought it would be a lot of fun to just kind of share a little bit of our vacation with y'all. It's been so wonderful to just be with my family. We have 4 out of 5 of our kids with us, so that's amazing. We just rented a great big house in the woods, and well, not in the woods, but up on a giant hill. So anyway, so we're just and then we've got plans to go whitewater rafting. So I think it's going to be a lot of fun to take y'all along with me, and I really hope y'all enjoy this. So come along with me and my family as we vacation together.
Our trip started with some time on the road as we traveled from home to Boise, Idaho, where we will be meeting up with our older kiddos. I always enjoy this part of the journey as we get to see so much of the beautiful Pacific Northwest and all its incredible landscapes. We traveled alongside the Columbia River, and although it was a brief section of our trip, I enjoyed seeing this majestic river so very much. I also really enjoy the wheat crops with all their picturesque fields of gold for miles and miles. However, when the landscape turns from farm fields to forests, my heart really soars. The mountain scenery just speaks so much peace into my soul. We passed several creeks, rivers, and streams that lend so much extra to the landscape. And y'all, these mountains, absolutely breathtaking. These were by far my favorite part of the entire drive. We finally arrived at the rental house, and it was a flurry of hugs, catching up, and my precious grandkids vying for my attention. Especially this sweet little peach. We spent our first evening together enjoying each other's company, as well as some great conversations and, of course, beautiful views from our amazing B&B. My oldest son and grandkids provided us with some fun pre-dinner entertainment of music and dancing. us were still enjoying this beautiful scenery while keeping Papa company as he was busy grilling an incredible dinner of fresh salmon and shrimp, accompanied by sweet potato fries and a tossed green salad. Oh, so good. We all enjoyed an absolutely delicious dinner together, and nothing could have made this mama's heart happier than being under one roof with all my family. The next day, we were all up bright and early and filled with so much excitement for the day's much anticipated activity. We are going whitewater rafting down the Payette River, the highlight of our trip to be sure.
You're scared, but in an excited way.
Our raft trip begins with a short bus ride to our put-in point. Our spirits are high as we take in all the beautiful scenery in anticipation of the adventure that awaits ahead. We are all definitely excited and looking very forward to this whitewater excursion down the Payette. We are finally on the water, and this day could not be any more perfect. The sun is bright and warm, the water is cool and refreshing, and we are ready to take down some whitewater. We settled into the boat and set off, moseying our way downstream, enjoying some leisurely waters while chatting with our guide about Class 3 rapids and some of the historical landmarks we would be seeing on our adventure downriver today. At this point, things started to get a little more exciting as we approached our first rapid. The kids were ready, and me, well, I'm still trying to figure out how I am going to hold my camera and row a boat at the same time. Here we go. I don't think my grandson enjoyed that at all. From here on down was pretty much a steady stream of rapids. There was a whole lot of laughter and whooping coming from our boat and a whole bunch of memories being made. This bridge ahead of us is the oldest bridge in Idaho. No better way to learn history than on a whitewater rafting trip. This rapid was our final big rapid of the day. That tiny little dot coming through now is my son and daughter. We were really lucky to catch them coming through on their kayak behind us. They ran that rapid like pros. No one fell out of the boat through any of the whitewater, so in my book, that's a success. What a great day. So all in all, it was a fantastic trip. I am so blessed to have had this time with all my people. I could not have asked for a better way to spend a vacay than with all my family. Thank you to my amazing husband for making this trip possible, and thank you, kiddos, for making this trip so special and for all the amazing memories. Y'all are truly the best. I had a blast. And thank you to my YouTube family as well for sharing this trip with my family and I. I hope you all enjoyed. I look forward to seeing you next week. Until then, stay safe, be happy, and stay well. Bye.